Have you ever opened the Bible and wondered where to start? It can feel overwhelming, like a massive library with dozens of books. But what if I told you the entire collection tells one single unified story, and that the center of that story, the hero of it all, is Jesus? If you want to understand the Bible, you start with him. And the best place to meet Jesus is in the first 4 books of the New Testament: Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. We call them the Gospels, which literally means good news, and it is good news. But why 4 accounts? Think of it like this. If 4 trusted friends witnessed the most incredible event in history, you'd want to hear the story from each of their perspectives, right? Each one would notice different details, emphasize different moments, and give you a richer, more complete picture. That's what we have in the Gospels. Matthew, writing to a Jewish audience, carefully shows how Jesus is the long-awaited Messiah, the one who fulfills all the ancient prophecies of the Old Testament.
Mark gives us a fast-paced, action-packed account, highlighting Jesus as a powerful, suffering servant who came to rescue us. Luke, a doctor, writes an orderly and detailed narrative for a non-Jewish world, emphasizing Jesus' deep compassion for the poor, the outsiders, and the marginalized, showing that this good news is for everyone. And then there's John. His gospel is deeply theological, focusing on the profound identity of Jesus as the divine Son of God, the light of the world, who came so that we might have life to the full. 4 accounts, 1 incredible Jesus. But the story doesn't stop when Jesus ascends into heaven at the end of the Gospels. In fact, that's where the next thrilling chapter begins. The book of Acts is the sequel. It picks up right where the Gospels leave off and shows what happens next. It's the story of how the good news of Jesus exploded from a small group of followers in Jerusalem into a worldwide movement. And the main character of Acts, the driving force behind everything, is the Holy Spirit. Jesus promises his followers they won't be left alone, and at the event called Pentecost, his Spirit arrives with power.
Suddenly, these ordinary, fearful disciples are transformed into bold witnesses. Acts chronicles how the Spirit empowers them to heal the sick, speak with courage, and build the early church. We follow key figures like Peter and the Apostle Paul as they carry this message of hope across the Roman Empire, breaking down barriers between Jews and Gentiles, rich and poor, and creating a new, unified family of faith. Acts demonstrates that the work Jesus began, he continues to do through his people by his Spirit. From the first promises in the Old Testament, through the 4 portraits of Jesus in the Gospels, to the explosive growth of the church in Acts, it is all one beautiful, cohesive story. It's the story of God's incredible love and his plan to redeem and restore humanity through his Son, Jesus Christ. This story isn't just ancient history. It's a living reality. And it's an invitation for you.